Today, we're diving deep into the brand new Huawei FreeBuds 7i, a compelling mid-range offering that brings premium features without the premium price tag. This is my honest and unsponsored review, and I'll walk you through my complete hands-on experience, covering the unboxing, refreshed design, impressive battery life, next-gen dynamic noise cancellation 4.0, and immersive 360-degree spatial audio. But the big question is, can these earbuds compete with more expensive alternatives? So stick around and let's find out together. But first, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our latest tech reviews and exclusive content. The FreeBuds 7 I showcase a beautifully refined design evolution that immediately catches the eye. The charging case has taken on a more rounded shape compared to the previous model, the 6i, bringing a softer, more ergonomic feel in the hand. The earbuds themselves continue with a flat stem design, complemented by silicone ear tips, a design language that feels both modern and comfortable. Available in three stunning Morandi palette colors, pearl white, deep space gray, and sakura pink, the FreeBuds 7i offers style options for every preference. The earbuds also come with 4 ear tip sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for virtually any ear shape. With IP54 certification, these earbuds can handle your daily workouts and unexpected weather without breaking a sweat. The build quality feels surprisingly premium for earbuds in this price range. The charging case has a satisfying magnetic closure, and the overall construction are built to last. From a comfort standpoint, the ergonomic design makes them suitable for extended listening sessions without fatigue. Now here's where the FreeBuds 7i truly shine. Featuring the latest dynamic noise cancellation 4.0 technology, these earbuds deliver impressive noise reduction that adapts intelligently to your environment. The ANC system offers multiple modes, including awareness mode for when you need to stay alert to your surroundings. The audio performance is powered by an impressive 11mm quad magnet dynamic driver with high-res audio certification. What sets this apart is the advanced 360-degree spatial audio with customizable 10-band EQ effects, a feature typically reserved for much more expensive earbuds. Through the AI Live app, you can fine-tune the sound signature to your exact preferences. The audio setup includes 3 microphones, working with a sophisticated bone conduction microphone and deep neural network algorithm to distinguish voices from noise during calls. This ensures crystal clear call quality even in noisy environments. To give you a real sense of the audio quality, let me play some music samples and demonstrate the call quality.
This is the microphone of FreeBuds 7i. Actually, it comes with 3 microphones plus 1 voice pickup. So I'm here again in my balcony. There is wind, there is car down in my building. What do you think, guys, of the microphone? Is it good or what? Let me know, guys, what you think in the comment section below.
You'll notice the bass response is punchy, mids are clear, and the spatial audio creates an impressively wide soundstage for earbuds at this price point. To be honest, the noise cancellation performance is genuinely impressive, effectively blocking out ambient noise while maintaining audio clarity. The spatial audio feature adds a new dimension to your listening experience, making music feel more immersive and engaging. Battery performance is another standout feature of the FreeBuds 7i. With up to 35 hours of total playback time with ANC off and 5 hours of continuous playback with ANC enabled, these earbuds easily handle your daily routine. The fast charging capability provides 4 hours of listening time with just a 10-minute charge, perfect for those rushed mornings. The earbuds support multi-device pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops, featuring seamless switching and auto-reconnect functionality. This makes transitioning between devices effortless, whether you're jumping from a work call to music streaming. So here's my final verdict on the Huawei FreeBuds 7i. At 299 dirhams in Dubai, these earbuds deliver exceptional value that's hard to ignore. The combination of dynamic noise cancellation 4.0, 360-degree spatial audio, impressive 35-hour battery life, and premium build quality creates a package that easily competes with earbuds costing significantly more. The FreeBuds 7i excel in almost every category: comfort, audio quality, battery life, and features. If you're looking for feature-rich wireless earbuds that don't compromise on quality while staying budget-conscious, the Huawei FreeBuds 7i are an easy recommendation. They successfully bridge the gap between budget and premium, offering an experience that feels far more expensive than the price suggests. For anyone seeking excellent wireless audio with cutting-edge features like spatial audio and advanced ANC, these earbuds deserve serious consideration. That wraps up my comprehensive review of the FreeBuds 7i. Let me know in the comments which aspect interests you most. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.